Match started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I was reading the Beatles, that's why. Corsair's weapon is that a full throttle?
Yes, it is.
Ouch. UFOs just, I don't even know. There we go. UFO is pushing around. Pin after pin. Slow and small ones though.
There you go.
Sounds like someone's trying to screw something in. I don't know if I hear it or not.
Oh, there's a good one.
Yeah, get on the side, Cal. There you go. Down, get on the side. Yep, go.
That's a release. It's a release. Alright, don't worry about the pins. I'll count them in my head. So I just let them. It's cause. Yeah, I'll tell you later. Anyways.
This looks like a lovely dance.
Yes. It's taking the fork for a day. Yep.
Yeah.
Aww.
They're cuddling.
Robot cuddling.
UFO is just pushing her around. Release. Release.
It's not, weapon's not working.
Oh, I think the teeth got stripped on the pulley.
Oh, weapon's not working. For Corsair, giving UFO a bigger advantage already.
I'm not gonna lie, Corsair. This is your full speed.
I can't buy any belts that are tighter, buddy. I can't buy any tighter belts.
Gonna have to adjust the motor next time.
Well, less than a minute remaining. You want to send it to the microphone?
I'll tell them.
It's just a push-to-push match now.
Very tight hug in the middle of the arena.
It's gonna be a hard one for the judges.
Yeah.
At this point, oh look, the weapon's back on, but just
Really slow and gurgling.
yeah.
Yeah, run it at like 50% speed.
30 seconds remaining. It's just a push-to-push match now at this point. 15 remaining.
When robots give hugs.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the match.
Alright, I'll drive over here.